Greetings and salutations, YouTube. itsHadrian here. Welcome to another edition of the vlog. How's everyone doing today? How is the Thrift squad? Have you guys found anything cool recently? I can't even talk anymore. Let me know down below in the comments. I'm already really shiny and it's like only 10 a.m. but we're gonna go thrifting today. I'm super duper excited. Recently I have been thrifting Saturdays and Sundays, which is kind of cool, and seeing what other places have to offer. So I'm super duper excited. So let's go head out, but don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications so you're notified when the rest of the thrifting videos that I make from today go up online. And also don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. And I just posted a ton of new stuff, so go check it out. But yeah, today's handbag squad, same as yesterday, but let's go. Alright you guys, we just got to Wasteland. Let's go inside and check it out. Look at this Issey Miyake, this Proenza, can you see that's the Balenciaga Messenger? No price. Oh wait, $250. Ooh, Chanel's. Wow. Guys, we just got to Crossroads. Didn't really find anything at the other store, so let's go in here. I'm looking at these little pouches. This little Rebecca Minkoff is kind of cute. Got Ted Baker. Oh, also, I found these two Rebecca Minkoff bags. Gorgeous. Pretty excited about those. Trying to see what these other bags are. There's like a big Buddha over there. Bando. Look at this leaf skin, you guys. It's actually really nice, but it's really expensive. Oh, there's this Mark by Mark down here. $65. Linea Pell. Little round bag. There's this cute Henry Bendel, but I don't know, I think this is like too style specific. It is pretty cute though. There's this Botkier, oh, $65. Whoops. There's a metallic Cambridge satchel, pretty cute. There's this Botkier, but this one's also pretty expensive. Oh, the Botkiers are so expensive. What is this? Millie. Ooh, some Tory Birch Flats, size 9. Alright you guys, just got to another Crossroads. Sorry I haven't been filming too much, the store's just been so full of people. Alright guys, I got a couple of things. Now let's go head over to another Crossroads. This is so much fun, I'm going to like so many today. Alright you guys, one more Crossroads store, let's go inside. Alright, here we are. I believe this one's on Sunset. Look at those Alexander McQueens. There's a Bayo right there for $2.95. Those Saint Laurents are $3.50. Jimmy Choo right there for $2.95. That's actually super duper cute. What else do we have? Perkin. Alright, looks to be a lot of bags right here. My boo. Oh my. What is this? Alright you guys, sorry, let me zoom back out. There's this cute little hobo shoulder bag. I love this strap detail on it. So cute. There's this Michael Kors in pink for $37.50. Dirty, but has a dust bag. I think it just needs a good cleaning. What's this? Zara. Alright, look at this really cute Coach satchel. I think it just needs a little bit of a cleaning. Found this ginormous long trunk, but there's literally a hole right there, so I don't think I'm going to get it. But it's really cute though. There's this ginormous Kate Spade tote bag. This is pretty nice. Oh, is that a, oh no, that's a pocket. I thought it was a hole. Alright you guys, I found an authentic Givenchy polo shirt with the stars. It's really cute. I'm really excited about this. $37.50. Alright, you guys, I just left the store. I got so much good stuff. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications so you'll be updated when that video does go up. But right now, I don't know if we're gonna go home or check out another store, so I'll let you guys know in a second. Alright, you guys, I actually just got back in the car. I went to Albertsons on my way back home, and I got some dog food. Where is it? It's right there on the floor. So yeah, I got some dog food and we're gonna go home. Mom and Dad got me Indian food, so I'm super duper excited because they went to go eat and I was still driving back home. And yeah, I got here and they already got home, so like, good thing they didn't wait for me. So I'm super duper excited. I'm ready to eat, so let's go home and get some food. Hey guys, so just got home and Eliza wants to go swimming, so we're gonna go. Oh, door's locked. Let's go, my little angel. Go, go, go. Ooh, where's your, you have to get your floaty first. Okay, go get it. Look who's already in there. It's super windy though, but I'm gonna jump in. I'll see you guys later. Ah! Hey guys, okay, so I'm back at the house. I'm super excited to show you guys what I ended up getting. Now this store was the OC Goodwill Boutique in Huntington Beach, I believe. Huntington? Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Huntington Beach. So much fun. I haven't been there in a long time, and I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. And luckily, we found some really great stuff, and my aunts and my parents had so much fun inside that store as well. So let me show you guys what I ended up getting. Now it all fit into this giant Kipling like duffel bag, which is really awesome. It was only $10. Can you believe it? Like $10 for this Kipling bag. So I just threw everything in there. It was my bag. But hunter boots, little pink ones. They are so cute. These were only $4.99. They are a size 8. How cute are these? So adorable, right? Like, I'm just gonna clean them up, throw them up in the shop, and see if anyone wants them. They're really adorable. I think they might also fit my my neighbor's daughter, so I'll let her know too if she wants these, because they are so stinking cute. I love hunter boots, especially little kid hunter boots. Zach and Eliza will have hunter boots. Still on the lookout for a pair for Cade, so still looking. But up next, I got this really great B. Makowski. It's metallic in like a metallic silver color. So pretty. This guy was only... Did none of these things have prices, or is it? Okay, I feel like this one also didn't have a price. Did it also not have a price? Oh no, it's right there. There's an X and a V written on there, so this was $15. I was like, I know this one had a price. $15. It's great for like a large size bag like this. There's a little bit of color loss on the back, but other than that, it's like in fantastic condition. And I love the Makowski bags so much. The leathers are so soft and so amazing. Then up next, I got this really great vintage Juicy Couture bag. This is back in the day when they used like amazing leathers for their handbags. Like now, I think they pretty much use almost pleather exclusively, and then the fabric bags, of course, that were really popular. But this bag is so cool. It's so now too. Like, I feel like this is such a modern style bag. When I first saw it, I thought it was maybe like a Libeskind or even a Chloe. So cool. I love it so much. It's a little dirty. Hopefully I can clean it up really nicely, but the interior itself is like pretty good. A couple little marks on there, but the back, I don't know if it's color transfer or something, but I feel like the front is still in pretty great shape. There is a little mark on there too, but hopefully we can clean them all off. And it also has a nice crossbody strap, and then the top handle is always a nice thing to have as well. Up next, I got this gorgeous vintage made in USA Coach backpack. I know these are just like really popular as well, and this was only $25. It's so cute. It does need a little bit of TLC, little leather conditioner, and a little bit of a color touch up, but black bags are always so easy to touch up with just some kiwi black shoe dye. So this is gonna shine and shimmer again very soon once we can rehab it back to life. So very excited about that. And that guy was $25. And then I got this really cool clock that I'm hoping still works, that I also think is from Pottery Barn. But it is just like this little cute little brushed silver clock. It was $5. And like, cross your fingers for me, you guys. I hope that it still works. When I looked in the back, it did have like corrosion from the battery. So you know that's like, it's not always a death sentence for the electronic, but a lot of the times it won't work. But with electronics that you purchase from the Goodwill, just hold on to your receipt and you can return for an exchange within 7 days. So if this doesn't work, you can bring it back for some store credit, and it was only $4.99. So there's that. Did I hear the kids? Last but not least, I have this beautiful Marc by Marc Jacobs tote bag. It's missing the wait, no, does it come with the crossbody strap? No, actually no. This one does not come with the crossbody strap, but it is really cute. It's in like a grayish beige color, and I think it just needs a little bit of conditioning, and then it's gonna be good to go. The interior is in pretty good condition. Yeah, actually the interior is in really nice shape. This guy was $20. And again, this is a Marc by Marc Jacobs. So cute. I know it's missing. There's usually like a little luggage tag thing that goes right here, and it usually tucks inside. So that piece is missing, but other than that, this bag is beautiful and in great shape. So that rounds out today's haul. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out the Goodwill and going and checking out what I found here today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. That always helps immensely. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just spelled here, and check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale. I think most of these items are going to be up in the shop, so if anyone's interested, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Email me, DM me on Instagram. Comment down below, but usually if you comment down below with like a question that you need answered right away, it takes me a while to get to those sometimes. Definitely send me a DM on Instagram or send me an email. I think those are the two best ways to reach me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Look at this little Mickey thing. Body wash and shampoo. Oh, okay. I think he's still full because he's pretty heavy. Ooh, a bear! How cute! He's kind of cute. Kind of like that bear guy. Let's see what else we have here. Any other hidden